Hello, I've got a new special Lego kit I wanted to share. It is this one. Ah yeah, the big bad boy. Lego Mercedes-AMG F1 W14E Performance. This is 42171. It is 1,642 pieces and it currently retails for $220 US. And it's big. As you can see, this is taking up a lot of space. Sorry about the glare, but you can see here, this is one of the sides. This is the back, showing the car itself. It shows very small the Lego car versus the actual car, the engine, and the proportions. I thought it would be fun to unbox this. I haven't even opened any of it yet, so I've used a handy dandy knife instead of scissors like one of my commenters mentioned. Pretty good idea. And without hurting the box, I've got it open. So let's pour it out and kind of see what is inside. I can already see the new slick tire all by itself. There's a couple more in here, but yeah, let's open this up. Oh boy. Let's see what's in here. A lot. Okay. So, not a single paper bag. I have almost never gotten a paper bag still to this day. But we've got 1, 7... Let's see, how many? 9? 10? Let's see, 12? Okay, I'm going with 12 paper bags, or plastic bags. 3 plus 1 tires somewhere here. Nice slicks. We've got extra bag with some frame pieces and wing and a flexible axle. And then we have the instruction booklet, which I will also go ahead and open now. Alright. First thing I see is the sticker sheet. There's actually 2 full-size sticker sheets. I'll go ahead and show them here if you'd like to take a look. The biggest number I see is 74 stickers. Now, I don't care about stickers. I like putting them on, but I know others don't. I actually have a video with a tip on how to ensure you get a good placement for your stickers, and if you mess up, how to easily fix it. So if you check out my former videos, you can find it pretty easily. It's called like Lego Sticker Issues, and it's a minute long, real quick and easy, and it really makes sticker placing a lot easier. Here's the front of the book, pretty cool. The back of the book, it's decently thick. I'm gonna count the pages here. 358 pages, not bad. I feel good about that. Just scrolling through. Yeah, nothing about the car that I can see. Oh wait, no, it does in the front. There's again some photos of the car, and then a couple more pages of material. This is pretty nice. Okay, so you get to learn a little bit. There's even more. Pretty cool. Again, sorry about the glare. But, wow, and yet another page. This must be the designer here. Very nice. And then you get to start building, which I'm very excited to do, I gotta say. I'm wanting to take my time. I can typically build something like this in 1 or 2 days flat. Pretty quickly, maybe 8 hours or so. But I want to take my time. I'm excited. I do have the previous F1 car. There's a video of it again also on my YouTube. But yeah, I guess that's pretty much the unboxing. So stay tuned for more. I may upload some based on the building experience. But overall, I am excited to build. So yeah, feel free to hit below any questions, comments, whatever you want from me. And catch you again soon. Thanks. Bye.